Hello, Beverly Black family. Welcome. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and I'm glad you're here. And those who have been with me over these almost 2 years, next month I will be monetized for a year, but I have been on YouTube for 2 years. And I want to thank every one of my subscribers and those who have stuck through it with me. But today I want you to come and look at this remodel that we have done of our kitchen. My kitchen is small. It's not a big kitchen, but it's big enough for me, and I love it. And I have been wanting granite countertops for years. That's why I've been telling you, speak those things that be not as though they were. You have to speak things into existence. From the little to the big, you speak it and it will come into existence. I am a living witness to that. I have been blessed with so many things to come into existence just by me speaking, decreeing, and declaring. I know it's a lot of you on here probably have a lot bigger kitchens than I do. That's fine, but this is what I like. We have been in this house for over 35 years, and this is home. This is my daughter's home, my grandchildren's home. This is the home place. So we have been working on the kitchen. I have about everything in my kitchen is new. I have all new appliances. My husband blessed me with a new islander for Christmas. And as we go through the kitchen, I'll show you the things that were my Christmas gifts. But my husband is truly a blessing. He always finds a way to bless me with the things that I desire. I may not get them when I first asked about them, but he always finds a way. And I thank God for him because he's a blessing to me. So come on, I talked enough. And those who are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. And hit that like button, and please leave a comment below and let me know what you're thinking, and let me know what you're thinking about my little remodel in my kitchen. We're getting ready to begin. This is December the 17th, 2020, and this is my kitchen before we do a little remodeling in here. I will get new granite countertops. My cabinets are going to be painted and have a new look. I'm getting a new KitchenAid for Christmas. But this will be changed, and I'm getting a new islander. And my chairs, my bar stool for the islander is already here. See you when we get the change. Okay, we're gonna start here with the cabinets. All the cabinets in my kitchen before, and I'm going to put a picture in, or have already put a picture in. All my cabinets were oak before. So we had the kitchen cabinets painted, new hardware put on the kitchen cabinets, new hinges. All the hardware and the hinges are new. I love this new look, the color. It's a little distressed, not too much in some places, but we got this paint from Sherwin-Williams, and I love it. All my appliances, the microwave above the stove. Before we had a fan above here, and the microwave we had was real big, so we put the microwave downstairs in the den, and we got this smaller microwave to put here. I love it. New stove, new refrigerator, And here is my new island that I was telling you about. This is a Christmas gift from my husband. This is a Basset island from Home Depot. It has a flap on the back side right here that you can let up. You can use it for serving or to eat on it. I got these 2 stools from Wayfair to go with it. I love the stools. But this islander is just beautiful. On the video, it does not give it justice. It's prettier than this to me. And here is another Christmas gift from my husband. I got a new KitchenAid. Thank you, Mr. Black. Have not even used it yet the first time. But I was waiting till everything was complete in my kitchen. We still got one more thing to do. He's gonna put up backsplash. We're gonna use the mother of pearl and put it up. But I think we're gonna wait a while on that. That's the last step. But here is my new granite. Will you take a look? It is so beautiful. And I love it. It goes good with the kitchen. There's a look. A complete kitchen overhaul or remodel, whatever the right word is for it. I thank God for it and for blessing us to be able to do it. The flooring, we got this a couple of years ago, but it's still new. So, and here's the trash can that I did a video about, that you stand in front of it or put your hand in front of it and it will open. And it has trash in it. And my husband did get me another. My husband got me several gifts for Christmas though, but here's another one of them. He loves gadgets, and I do too. And this is a paper towel holder. And you put your hand in front of it, and your paper towels come out. And if you don't want the paper towels, they go back up. I love it. Here we go. Sometimes I just come over here and play with it and see what it'll do. But this is an awesome paper towel holder. So this is a tour of my new kitchen that I give God all the glory, honor, and praise for. Oh, and my husband put in the new lighting. I didn't tell you about that. Under the counter. He has, let's see, you can turn the lights he has the sensor here, if I can get it right. See, it turned it off. All you gotta do is put your hand in front of it and the lights come back on. I told you, my husband loves gadgets. I do too. Last week I went to Ross and got a little haul there at Ross. And I want to show you some of the things that I got at Ross that I put in my living. These 2 little candle holders right here, they came from Ross. These candle holders on my table, coffee table, they came from Ross. They were on sale. I love them. And the new tray, the gold tray, it is from Ross also. I had a good time at Ross that day. I found a lot of things to go in the house. But I just wanted to share that with you so you could see it. Y'all have a I'm getting tongue-tied. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. And thank you for stopping by and watching my video and see the remodel of my kitchen that I love. My husband don't think I'm going to cook anymore, but I am. I'm getting ready right now to make some spaghetti. See you on the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to show you this on my table. This tray, it also comes from Ross. All of this came from Ross. Everything in here came from Ross. I know you gather that I love Ross. Bye-bye again.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing